Hey friends, today I'm showing you this mini fridge cabinet that was sent to me. It does have a fit space and two side compartments that has a lot of storage. As you can see, this is all just set out here and is ready to put together, and it was pretty simple to put together. It does have a dedicated compartment. A Lambter mini fridge cabinet fits most compact refrigerators while maintaining a sleek built-in appearance. As you can see, I have it all styled here, and it's perfect for keeping beverages and snacks cool in your kitchen and office or your entertainment area. There's large storage, so the snack bar cabinet features 3 spacious storage selections and adjustable shelves for flexible organization. You can store wine bottles, coffee supplies, or bar accessories with ease, and everything stays tidy and within reach for daily use or gatherings. The wide countertop with the power outlet is really helpful. You can enjoy the convenience of a wide countertop that provides ample space for a coffee maker, a blender, or a wine setup, and it's equipped with a built-in charging station. The home bar cabinet keeps your small appliances powered and your countertop clutter-free, which is a really nice feature. It has an elegant fluted design. It showcases refined vertical fluted panels, and the gold metal handles are very sturdy, and the storage sideboard blends modern charm with timeless elegance. The textured surface and black finish makes it super eye-catching, and it's a statement piece for really any room. As you can see, it's in this new room here, and it's super beautiful. The easy assembly is a game changer. It comes with clearly labeled parts and detailed illustrated steps, and it ensures a quick and easy setup process. Whether you're using this as a wine cabinet, a mini fridge stand, or a coffee station, the stylish piece installs effortlessly and it enhances any home decor. I really do enjoy this. I think it's very beautiful, and I can't wait to style it in different ways for the season. I think it will be really beautiful during the holiday season, and I really love what we have on top of here now. I think it's super elegant and sleek, and it just is a great statement piece for any room, and it's functional, and you know I'm all about that.